The Toyo-intl brand is jointly invested by Tianjin Toyo Lifting Equipment Manufacturing Co. Limited and Toyo-intl Lifting Japan Limited. Products by China and Japan professional design team, jointly designed and developed. Committed to creating excellent quality lifting tools. We strictly follow international standards and industry norms, select high-quality raw materials, and adopt advanced Japanese production technology and manufacturing equipment to ensure that every product has excellent performance and reliable quality. From design concept to product details, product technology has been effectively improved. Has been a leading force in the lifting equipment industry for nearly a decade. Our main product offerings include specializes in designing and manufacturing of excellent quality of manual chain block, lever block, electric hoist, cane, pallet truck, lifting belt, lifting clamp, rigging hardware and various high-tensile scenario application, construction site, ships, household, mine, stash, industrial plant area. Experience the product advantage. 1. Electric chain hoists for precision lifting. Our electric chain hoists adapt Japanese G80 carburized chain for safe and dependable lifting operations. Equipped with Schneider electrical components, light aluminum alloy shell makes it easy to handle. Offers dual speed capabilities. Superior lifting chains. Our lifting chains are the backbone of safe and efficient lifting operations. Crafted with precision and rigorously tested, our lifting chains are designed to handle loads with a safety factor 4 times higher than they are rated for, ensuring the safety and reliability. Hand chain hoists, lever hoists. Our manual chain hoist combines a compact design with robust safety features, equipped with a double pull spring, overload protection device, and sealed roller bearings. It ensures secure and smooth lifting operations. The G80 chain provides strength and reliability, while the safety hook ensures safe and worry-free lifting. Trust in our hoist for efficient, compact, and safe manual lifting solutions. Experience our service advantage. Professional design team. Exquisite product design. 3-year warranty. Our commitment to excellence is underscored by the prestigious certifications we have obtained, including C, GS, and ISO standards, reflecting our dedication to product safety and quality. Our products have been exported to nearly 30 countries, spanning the United States, Japan, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and beyond. Has earned the trust and admiration of customers around the world.